The early bird catches the worm, and nowhere is that more true than in Châtel. This mountain village boasts a fine church, but that's not why everyone's got up at this hour. In fact, these hardy souls are going in search of the wild animals that live here in the Chablais mountains. But why is this outing so important for the organisers?
C'est pour faire partager notre passion de la chasse, pour montrer aussi aux gens de l'extérieur ce qu'est la chasse, comment on chasse et pourquoi on chasse.
Without further ado, it's time to climb. A good pair of walking shoes helps, for some that is, and a good pair of binoculars too. It's no guarantee of seeing the elusive animals, but you don't have to wait long for your reward. After the hard yards, there's a treat for tired climbers, a breakfast feast on the summit at the Pointe des Mats. It needn't be an uphill struggle after all. These fascinating outings are open to all, thanks to the local hunting association. And as one member explains, there's a reason why they're so important.
Il n'y avait plus un chamois et les chasseurs ont décidé à cette époque-là, dans les années 65, de créer cette réserve, les 3 communes, et de racheter quelques chamois qu'on a rachetés dans les Vosges, quelques chamois et qu'on a intégrés dans le Mont-Grange.
If this type of nature outing into the rugged Chablais mountains is for you, contact Châtel Tourism. They look like a friendly bunch.